Are you tired and struggling with rising feed costs? Have you dreamed of a way to provide top-quality nutrition to your animals and actually save up to 50% on your feed costs? Would you like a source of fresh, organic, chemical-free forage available to your animals every day of the year? You should consider building your own fodder system with our ready-made, easy-to-follow plans. Whether you already have been growing fodder and just need a better, easier way to grow it, or fodder as something you've never grown before, you'll be amazed at how easy and affordable it can be to build your own system and grow fodder. It may seem like a complicated project, but luckily for you, you don't have to suffer through the headaches and frustrations of working out dimensions, the best materials, testing pumps and timers, optimizing watering techniques, drainage and all the other details. Not to mention, hundreds of hours of research, reading books, studies and other resources to try and learn the very best ways to grow healthy, delicious, nutritious fodder for all your animals to get the very best yields. Introducing Build a Fodder System. These easy-to-follow DIY plans guide you on building a simple, affordable and highly functional and efficient fodder system on time, on budget and with very little waste. I have put years of experience in raising livestock into this easy-to-follow plans, and it is written with beginner builders in mind, so you don't need to be some master carpenter or plumbing expert to build a great working fodder system. No matter what the types of animals you're feeding, no matter if you need 10 pounds or 80 pounds a day, this fodder system is designed to fit your needs. There are no special skills or fancy tools required, and you'll never have to worry about your animals having access to healthy, fresh forage again. These instantly downloadable plans will guide you on exactly how to build your fodder system, and with a complete materials list we will show you where to get the best priced materials so you have minimal waste and don't overspend on any items. As an added bonus for the next 50 customers, I am giving away over $600 worth of extra guides and an entire step-by-step fodder grow course. These bonuses are only available for limited time to the next 50 customers. Still not convinced buying my plans, building a fodder system, is right for you? What if I told you, you have nothing to lose? That's right, every customer gets my personal, 14-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Download the plans, review the instructions, and if anytime in the next 14 days, you decide it's not for you, simply request a refund and one will be promptly given. So what are you waiting for? Start building your fodder system tomorrow, and be well on your way to fresh, nutritious forage by the end of the week. Simply click on the order link below to claim your plans now.